You ready for the magic? Here we go. Magic. It goes invisible. I found a trick online. I want to try it. Black paint. You've got a screen like this with little tiny holes. You want to be able to see through it. You can actually paint the outside black of the screen. And it should turn it invisible. So let's try it out. I've tried it with other colors. They don't work. Let's see if black works. Check this out. There is a hen in here you might be able to see. She jumped in there. I closed the door on her. She's not too happy right now. Let's check this out. So here we go. Little hen, are you happy? Black paint. Oh, look at that. It works. It works. I can see. I can see. Well, hello, chicken. I am amazed at how well that works. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It works. 100%. It works. That's cool. Now I can look in there better and see everything. Go ahead. Go ahead. Take off. Ooh, she's mad. You know, that works so well. Good thing this is on wheels. That works so well. I'm going to paint the back screen so I can see through that as well. Let's check this out. See if this gets any better. Let me get some paint here. Are you ready? You ready for the magic? Here we go. Magic. It goes invisible. Isn't that wild? Isn't that cool? Now I can see in there clearly. I am truly, truly amazed. That worked awesome. Now you can see right in the cage. Wow, I can't believe how well that worked. Chicken soup with Grumbles. What an awesome meal.